Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video we are going to talk about the new Huawei low range smartphone, that is the Huawei Y6s. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe the channel and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So first of all, let's talk a bit about specifications. So the Huawei Y6s comes with 64GB internal storage and 3GB RAM. Basically there are two variants, and the second variant comes with 32GB internal storage. At the rear we have 13 megapixel single camera setup along with the fingerprint scanner, and at the front we have 8 megapixel camera, and it has a 6.09 inches display. Moreover, the device is powered by octa-core processor with MediaTek Helio P35 chipset and runs on Android 9 Pie operating system. So now let's discuss whether this device is worth buying or not, and do we have any replacement for it. So I think if you are willing to spend $140, then you must take one device into consideration other than the Huawei Y6s, and that is the Tecno Cayman 12 pair. It's around $20 cheaper than Y6s, and trust me, Tecno Cayman 12 pair is much better than the Huawei Y6s. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It has a triple camera setup, fingerprint scanner, and the main highlight about the Tecno Cayman 12 pair is that it comes with a battery capacity of 4000 mAh, whereas the Huawei Y6s has a battery capacity of only 3020 mAh. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys like the video, then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.